Working and advantages of magnetic suspension. Narration. Let's break down how this magnetic suspension actually works. It all comes down to a perfect balance of two invisible forces. Narration. Permanent magnets have a north and south pole. When you try to push two like poles together, north to north or south to south, that they create a repulsive force in our model. We have carefully arranged the magnets in the base and the floating object so that their like poles are facing each other. Narration. This repulsion creates an upward push fighting against the downward pull of gravity. They key to stable levitation, and the trickiest part is stability left alone. The repelling magnet would just flip over a stick. Our design uses guide rails or a carefully constrained part to prevent this. It allows the object to move only up and down, forcing it to find the perfect equilibrium point where the upward magnetic force exactly equals the downward gravitational force. That point is where it floats. Now, you might ask why go through all this trouble. What are the advantages over a conventional spring-based suspension you'd find in a car or a bike? Narration. First and mostly important, frictionless and silent operation. Visual. Point to the area where the object is floating, emphasize the clear air gap. Narration. See this gap, there is no physical contact between the moving part and the base. This means there is a zero mechanical wear and tear.